Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. I'm Sheena from 7A Afisanegas. At this time, I would like to tell you about a book that I finished reading. So the book that I finished reading is about Mia and the Swan Prince, written by Nita Donanti Dewi, and this book is fiction book. Of course, I will tell you about the summary and the moral value in the story. So this book is told about the Swan Kingdom is inhabited by a prince with golden curls. The prince is known with the spoiled, the stubborn, and the selfish nature. He is also very picky about food. He only wants the white goose liver, while the people in the kingdom is starving. Mia, the assistant cook, reminds about the concerned people, but the prince refuses and says, I only want the white goose. I don't care if my people in the kingdom is die of the starvation." Mia cries and says, rather than being a heartless prince, you better being a swan. Mia's word is heard by the sky, and the prince is become a swan. And soon after, the prince disappears for a very long time. So the moral value in the story is that happiness does not come, rather everything we want. And this book is teach us to be grateful, helpful, care, and be patient. And for me, the author is wrote great and detailed. From that, I could understand and imagine the atmosphere of the kingdom. I also love and enjoyed reading this book. Of course, I read all of the pages in this book. Overall, I think this book is recommended for the young readers or teenagers. So, do you guys interested in reading this book? That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, Kak Sheena. That's very cute. Mia with Prince, Pangeran Angsa.
Yeah.
So, that book is really interesting, but can you show me what is the interesting part of that story?
The interesting part is when the prince become a swan, because all of the prince that's like prince very angry about the food and like angry to Mia because Mia only have the black goose, so the prince only wants the white goose. So Mia is sad because the kingdom don't have any white goose again.
Okay. Why you choose this book to review rather than another?
Because this book, I looked the back.
Yes.
This like the moral value. So I interest because it can teach about like a prince can become swans. Yeah, I interesting about that. And this book is teach us many like grateful, care each other, and many.
Okay, so you really like that book, but if you can change or improve the part of the book, what if will it be?
Yes, so the what?
Okay, if you can change or improve the part of the story or the book, what will it be? Maybe you want to improve it in form of about the pictures, about the storyline, or about the characters, or what?
I want have I think many like what is like
Characters?
Yes, many character in this book, and I want to read another Nita Donanti Dewi's book with the long story because it's only short story.
So you say that it's good for young readers.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, thank you Kak Shena.
Thank you.